The M.K. Morse Company has been a leader in bandsaw blade innovation for decades. At the Morse Technology Center, an advanced team of materials scientists and engineers work daily to analyze and enhance all facets of design and manufacture to maximize blade performance. Each year, new innovations in manufacturing and metallurgy, as well as tooth form, grind, and set, are developed to address unique customer applications and challenges. From affordable carbon blades and precision bimetal options to state-of-the-art carbide tip products, the M.K. Morse Company is synonymous with advanced bandsaw blade technology. Our comprehensive Guaranteed Trial Order GTO system provides precise data to help determine the best bandsaw blade configuration for each specific situation. Need better finish quality? How about lower cost per cut? Whatever your requirement, Morse has the right blade on time, every time. Morse bandsaw blade users are customers for life. No one beats Morse on technical assistance, in-person support, or product consistency. Our experienced international on-site technical team works with customers to maximize the performance of their bandsaw machines and their blades. When it comes to metal cutting, no one beats Morse. And like most of our products, all bandsaw blades are proudly 100% designed, manufactured, and packaged exclusively in the United States. Dependable, versatile, and efficient. That's the Morse way. Users across the globe rely on Morse, and you should too.